G'day guys, mTimTam here. So in our last tutorial we got all of our notes regarding to graphics cards, drivers, where to get the latest news and downloads. And once you've opened up Blender, this will be the first thing that you will see in the Cycles rendering engine. It's pretty much Blender. Well, it is Blender, but with the new Cycles mainframe. Now there might be a problem where you will come across that it's just like when it will say Blender render, you're going to have to go to click this icon here, user preferences, type in cycles, check that button, and the message will come up. So if I go back to the beginning, this section on top of here is your materials, textures, and is pretty much your materials material editor. You can also change your world settings and your dome settings. You can also do your standard compositing and everything. Compositing still in here. And for navigation, it is a standard zoom in, zoom out for your third mouse button, which is scroll. If you click your scroll button, you can move that around. If you don't have a middle scroll button, then you can customize your keys. To select a material, just right click, right click, right click, and to change the world, just go to the world settings and you can change your world. Right here is your a bit of American voice there. In this is your basic 3D navigation, wireframe, solid navigation, and best of all, your rendering navigation. Works exactly the same as you would in 3D mode. Over here is your standard Blender settings. As you can see, there are different buttons and options here, but we'll get into that later. Here is your rendering icon, your world icon, and your material icon. These three icons is pretty much what you need to know. The rest is pretty self-explanatory if you use Blender on a regular basics, such as professional or hobby. So these are the three main areas you have to look at. Make sure that all of these checkboxes are met. Sometimes you'll get a checkbox. Let me just open something. Don't worry what I'm doing. Here's a quick example. I just opened up a random file that's here. In some cases you might get this option. You need to click all of this in the material settings, your world settings, and that's pretty much it. So you can render it out. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the interface, navigation. In the next tutorial we'll be learning about basic texturing and changing your textures. Wait, no, the first one would be the next one would be the world settings. Thank you.